sabi ko sa kanya, hindi ko pa alam, sa'yo ko magpapasok ko pag laptop talaga. Parang ikaw pa naman. Ilan ba eh, parang sa direct pa eh. Tapos, hindi naman magpapasok. So, ano yan? Common na problema sa liga. Common. Kaya okay talaga sana. 10 person lang. Yan ang pinaka-ideal sa liga. Ideal number of members. Ano kayo? 15 seconds. Okay lang. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Number 40. Second personal foul. First team foul. Sino foul? May foul? And 22 seconds. Sana isang tao para doon. Eight minutes, 50 seconds. Saan ko gagawa ka ako? Sabihan ko sa gusto rin ko. 10 seconds, 50. Dati tayo. Kung makakaano tayo lang yun. Tayo ko eh. Wait, Jay, wala pa. Madali lang. Pula tayo ng ani. Nice. 8 minutes, 20 seconds. 8 minutes, 20 seconds. Tingin dalawang malaki ka lang. Ayun. Masabi rin tayo. 8 minutes, time remaining. 8 minutes. 15 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. Alright, ay stop time sa 2 minutes. I'm reading 7 minutes, 22 seconds. Inter score, 54-38. Naman Jabonel. Naman 54. Up to the ball game. 9 minutes, 7 minutes, 22 seconds. 7 minutes, 22 seconds. Kaya pa yun. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 8, 7. I'm reading 7 minutes. Minutes, 57 seconds. First down. Shooting foul.
second team foul.
0 na.
6 minutes, 43 seconds. 6 minutes, 43 seconds.
Tira John.
8, 7, 6, 5, number 47. 46.
Third personal.
Third personal foul. Third team foul. Last 6 minutes, 1 second. 6 minutes, 1 second.
Pasok.
Senyis lang tayo. Stop.
Doon na tayo.
One minute, 50 seconds. One minute, 45 seconds. Second foul, number 16. Warning for penalty. 4 minutes 15 seconds. 4 minutes 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 8. Last 4 minutes. 8 minutes 50 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes 45 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Minutes 15 seconds. Last 3 minutes. 10 seconds left.
Pasok.
2 minutes 50 seconds. 2 minutes 50 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Foul number 16.
Third personal.
Third personal foul. 15 foul.
Penalty.
2 minutes 38 seconds. 2 minutes 38 seconds.
Stop.
Subtract. Okay na. Okay na siya. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Number 25. 1 minute for penalty. 2 minutes 19 seconds. 2 minutes 19 seconds. Oh, number 5. Penalty. Ayong penalty ng mga boss. 2 minutes 6 seconds. That's 2 minutes 6 seconds. That's 2 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Sila ng press. 1 minute 45 seconds. Paula.
Second personal.
Number 19, penalty. Stop. 1 minute 43 seconds. 1 minute 43 seconds. I need 20 seconds. Foul number 25. 1 minute 29 seconds. Penalty. Second personal foul.
Konti lang yan, no? Yun lang.
1 minute 29 seconds.
Mas okay na daw yun.
Last 1 minute. 85 seconds. Last 10 seconds to shoot. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 41 seconds. 41 seconds.
Putata!
41 seconds.
Tira!
10 seconds to shoot. 8, 7, 6, 5. Ask for number 19. That's 29 seconds. For Boston, 58-59. That's 29 seconds. For Boston, 50-59. 29.5 seconds. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 90 seconds.
Nakakabahal pa.
19 seconds. Last 19 seconds.
Kailangan nila, rebounder.
Fifteen seconds.